Get ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. Learned counsel for the applicant submitted that the applicant has been falsely implicated in the present case due to family dispute. Stop. Learned counsel for the applicant further submitted that the elder brother of the applicant was already married with the elder sister of the victim on 16/1/2020, and there was some dispute between the elder brother and the sister-in-law of the applicant, who is elder sister of the victim. Stop. Due to this reason, the applicant is falsely implicated by the father of the victim, who is the father-in-law of the elder brother of the applicant, only with the intention to create pressure on the family members of the applicant. Actually, nothing has been happened as alleged by the prosecution. Stop. Learned counsel for the applicant submitted that the entire allegation as labeled in the FIR was lodged with malified intention. Stop. In the statements of the victim recorded under section 161 and 164 CRPC, there is vast contradiction regarding the alleged incident and commission of rape, whereas in the statement recorded under section 161 CRPC, the victim has stated that along with her sister went to field for nature's call, whereas in the statement recorded under section 164 CRPC, she stated that the applicant threatened the sister of the victim and let her go from the spot, and thereafter the applicant committed rape with the victim, whereas the allegation of committing rape was demolished after perusal of the medical report, whereas the doctor in his opinion has not given any finding of rape with the victim. Stop. As per the medical report, the age of the victim is 17 years, thus taking the benefit of 2 years either side, she appears to be major. Stop. Let the applicant Shiv Sagar involved in case crime number 318 of 2020, under sections 376, 323, 506 IPC and 3/4 POCSO Act, Police Station Dalmau District Rai Bareli, be released on bail on his executing a personal bond and 2 sureties, each in the like amount, to the satisfaction of the court concerned on the following conditions: the applicant will not make any attempt to tamper with the prosecution evidence in any manner whatsoever. Stop. The applicant shall indulge in any criminal activity or commission of any crime after being released on bail. Stop. The party shall file computer generated copy of such order downloaded from the official website of High Court Allahabad or certified copy issued from the registry of the High Court, Allahabad. Stop. The concerned court authority official shall verify the authenticity of such computerized copy of the order from the official website of High Court, Allahabad, and shall make a declaration of such verification in writing. Stop. It may be observed that in the event of any breach of the aforesaid conditions, the court below shall be at liberty to proceed for the cancellation of applicant's bail. Stop. It is clarified that the observations, if any, made in this order are strictly confined to the disposal of the bail application and must not be construed to have any reflection on the ultimate merits of the case. Stop. Thank you.
क्या चाहिए बदले में हमें? बस एक प्यारा सा लाइक, तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार। सब्सक्राइब यार, सभी की मांगे मैं पूरी करता हूँ। मेरी एक ही तो मांग रहती है कि सब्सक्राइब कर दो चैनल को, और जिन्होंने नहीं किया है कर दो यार, आज जोड़ के विनती है।